Every meaningful journey reaches a moment when the road divides, and the choice before you reveals who you are becoming.
In The Fool's Journey, The Lovers is not only about romance. It represents the awakening of conscious and meaningful choice.
This card speaks of connection, trust, and vulnerability, but beneath them lies one deeper question. What truly matters to you?
The Lovers teaches that powerful decisions emerge when your heart, mind, and personal values move together in the same direction. Not every attractive path is right for you. True choice requires honesty and the courage to look beyond illusion. Healthy connection never erases individuality. It allows two people to meet through respect, freedom, truth, and shared values. When your choice reflects your deepest values, uncertainty may remain, but your direction becomes clearer, stronger, and more meaningful. The Lovers reminds you that every conscious choice shapes your future self. Continue the journey and discover the next lesson.